Hi, I'm Daniel. With our all-electric city bus, the Mercedes-Benz e-Citaro, we are starting an innovation initiative for electromobility in cities. It combines the established and proven platform of our Citaro with a spectacular design and new technical solutions, such as an innovative thermal energy management system with great energy efficiency, or a modular battery concept which enables our customers to tailor their services and charging strategy to their needs. The countdown for the e-Citaro is in full swing. It will go into serious production already at the end of this year. Thanks for watching and see you at your first journey with our e-Citaro.